What are some preventative strategies that people can take to prevent cognitive decline as they age? One of the things that really has become apparent by our research is that trying to resuscitate neurons that have died is obviously a strategy that is not going to work. Once the system has degenerated quite a bit, it's actually very hard to restore health. So it's a much smarter strategy to try to prevent those problems in the first place. In fact, there are three really primary strategies that we found, given our own research and the review of the literature, that seem to be the most efficacious. The first is, unsurprisingly, keep your fuel stable. Meaning what you want to do is avoid glucose spikes, because those spikes actually over time tax your metabolism, and once you start down that path, it's very hard to get off the path, and ultimately it leads to the neurons not being able to adequately utilize glucose. The second strategy is exercise, and then the third is sleep. Most of the cleaning and repairing functions in the brain occur during sleep. So one of the things we often sort of forget is that, sleep is not just something that someone has told us, like our parents, way back when, that we need to do. We often sort of think that we can cheat sleep because now we're grown-ups, we make our own choices. But the reality is that sleep is biologically there for a reason. And there are very severe consequences to the brain and the rest of the body when we try to skimp on that essential ingredient.